Before there were forests, flowers, or fruits, the land was ruled by humble green pioneers. Among them stood Zosterophyllum, a plant that doesn't get much attention, but shaped the course of plant evolution forever. It lived over 400 million years ago, during the Silurian to Early Devonian period, and it represents a major evolutionary branch point. Unlike Rhynia or Aglaophyton, which had terminal sporangia at the ends of branches, Zosterophyllum had its sporangia positioned laterally along the sides of its stems. That one shift marked a deep anatomical and evolutionary divergence. It wasn't just a random arrangement, it indicated a different developmental pattern. And that pattern is what we now associate with Lycophytes. One of the oldest and most distinct lineages of vascular plants still alive today, Zosterophyllum had a relatively simple structure, leafless, green, branching axes growing just 10 to 20 centimeters tall. But inside those modest stems was true vascular tissue, including xylem for water transport. The plant had stomata and a cuticle, allowing it to regulate water loss in the terrestrial environment. It anchored itself using rhizome-like horizontal axes rather than deep roots. But what really sets it apart was its evolutionary future. Zosterophyllum and its relatives are considered ancestral to club mosses, spike mosses, and quillworts, all part of the Lycophyte group. That's a lineage that branched off from all other vascular plants, ferns, seed ferns, conifers, flowering plants more than 400 million years ago. So when we talk about Zosterophyllum, we're not talking about a forgotten fossil. We're looking at the beginning of an entire evolutionary branch of the plant kingdom. It represents the first great divide in the vascular plant tree, a split between Lycophytes and everything else. This little green stem didn't just grow in ancient swamps, it grew into evolutionary history.